Welcome to DIYEasyCrafts.com. This is a product review of the Harbor Freight horizontal vertical metal cutting bandsaw. Now we're going to use this bandsaw in the vertical position for knife making. Most knife makers use bandsaws to cut out the blanks or the basic shapes of their knives. The vertical horizontal machine from Harbor Freight is most commonly used in the horizontal position for cutting lengths of material to size. When you talk to knife makers, when they buy a Harbor Freight product, most often they buy the portable band or the portaband. This is a much smaller bandsaw. It does cut metal very nicely. This usually sells in the $150 range, and you can get it on sale for $100. The problem with it is, not only is it smaller and a little bit less powerful, but by the time you buy or make a table and stand for it, you've got to add at least another $50 to $75 to that price. For just a little bit more, you can get a much more powerful vertical horizontal machine. These normally sell in the $250 range, and on sale you can get them for $200. This is my vertical horizontal. I'm using it in the vertical position. It comes with a table, although you could definitely make a little bit more of a heavy-duty table for it. The legs also could be beefed up a little bit. They're a little bit flimsy. But really, right out of the box, the only change I made to it was I bought better blades for it. I bought blades from McMaster Carr. So for this video, I just want to show you how well this bandsaw actually functions. I'm going to start with a 2-inch wide piece of 3/16 AEBL stainless steel. The downside of this machine over that portaband is it does take up a little bit more room in the shop, but I think the benefits outweigh that, that one negative. So I'm not applying a lot of pressure here. I'm letting the blade do most of the work. And it cuts through this 3/16 material very, very easily. And I always find, there's a lot of YouTube videos on this particular vertical horizontal machine. Most of them are videos showing it in the horizontal position, chopping material. So really for this video, for knife makers, I really just wanted to let you see how it works. So I'm not going to rush through this. I'm going to show you a decent amount of cutting with the bandsaw. I cut out this blank certainly under, probably right in the 10-minute range. There are multiple speeds. There's 3 different speeds that you can set the machine at. And it's all done with pulleys and a V-belt. You can also buy blades with different number of teeth. You can play with that to get the best setup for the particular material that you're cutting through. But it really had no problem at all cutting through this 3/16 material, 3/16 stainless material. And I'm not trying to get this blank cut out perfectly. Now I'll finish shaping this on a belt sander. I'm just trying to get rid of as much of the big material as possible. So here you go. In under 10 minutes, I've got a blank that's cut out to shape, ready to be finished up on the belt sander with a coarse grit belt, just to smooth out all of those rough edges left by the bandsaw. So I was very pleased. For a bandsaw that you can get in the $200 to $250 range, I was very impressed with its ability to cut out the material that I bought it for. And of course, cutting out the blank is the start to any good knife making project. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, I ask that you please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to this YouTube channel. By all means, join us on our Facebook group, Knives and Knife Making. You can certainly post pictures of your own builds there. And check us out on the internet at www.diyeasycrafts.com. We have a complete online guide to knife making. Thank you very much.